Hi, my name is Michael Burgis and I'm an attorney. I wanted to take a brief moment to answer a few questions that I'm getting from a lot of my clients. And that is, my clients are concerned because they've either sustained a non-work related injury or a work related injury, and they're afraid about losing their job or not being accommodated by their employer. So let me explain what the employer's duties are. First off, in California, you are considered work as needed. However, your employer is not allowed to discriminate if you fall under a protected class. And disability is a protected class. Now, when the employer is put on notice of an injury, they have a legal obligation, and that is they are supposed to engage in an individual interactive process to see if they can make reasonable accommodations that don't represent an undue burden on the employer. It's a mouthful, but basically what it means is your employer is supposed to talk to you, figure out what's going on. If there's a doctor giving you a work restriction saying you can't lift more than 20 pounds, the employer needs to see if they can make reasonable accommodations. Now, typical violations are when an employer doesn't talk to you at all, doesn't even engage in an individual interactive process, or they say set policies. Oh, we don't accommodate work restrictions. You need to be full duty. Set policies that aren't individual is a violation. If they say they can accommodate you and you really think there is a job that you can do, maybe something a little bit more sedentary. And ultimately, if you get terminated and they indicate that they can't comply with your work restrictions, you may have a potential failure to engage in the interactive process, failure to accommodate, and wrongful termination or retaliation or discrimination. So it's very important. If any of this is going on, feel free to give us a call. We have the answers. What is a workers' compensation claim? Is it a lawsuit against my employer? A lot of my clients are afraid to file a lawsuit against their employer. They don't want to be discriminated against. But what everyone needs to realize